any one of you is able to connect these 9 dots in just 4 straight lines, 4 continuous straight lines? Anyone? 4 strokes, 4 continuous strokes. But cannot lift up the pen. Cannot lift the pen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cannot lift the pen. Okay, good. Let's give him a round of applause. Give a good try, a good try. Okay. Yes, we have one person over there. Come over, come over. Let's use another marker, another color. 9 continuous strokes. 4 strokes, 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost. Actually, you just need to stop here.
Oh, should I stop here and go here?
Yeah. Just come back and then come back there. Yeah, so you won't count this. Yeah, she did it. All right, well done. He gave me it. Well done. Okay, and of course, 1 chocolate for you. Thank you very much. Okay, how do you get the solution for this?
I know this question.
Oh, you know this question? Oh, so that one. Okay, but you can see the rest of us. You just take one. When you start somewhere here, right? So you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is what I call go beyond the box. Most of us will tend to look at things within the box. We try to look within here. Okay? In creativity, that's why people say think out of the box. There's an imaginary box here. Think out of it. Then you can find a solution.